Okay, at this point on the Office Features topic-based simulation, question 4, I've gotten to the point where I zoomed in 110, backed off 100. I've placed my insertion point here at the beginning. I actually attempted to do Control Home, and it gave me an incorrect move and took away one of my attempts, which sucks, but anyway. Then I'm trying to go to preview the document as it will print. So if you go up to File, it says that that's not adequate, which I would normally do to preview it in print mode, because then I'd go down and select print. That's not an option. If you try to hit Control P to bring up the print dialog, it won't allow that either, and it'll take away one of your attempts. And also, if you attempt to do Control F2, which is another feature for that, it does the same thing. So at this point, based on my readings and whatnot, I'm not exactly certain what this question is asking for. Would need clarification on that, but since I've attempted to do the print preview, I will go ahead and do the last step it says, which is to preview to return to print layout view. I'll go to that. It's going to say incorrect action because there's no way I can do it. So at this point, I'm sort of at a loss. Alright, question 6 on the Office Features topic-based simulation exam. I've at the insertion point at the last paragraph. Okay, this is the very, in my opinion, this is the very end. Of course, we're going to be putting up the names of the guys that are graduating, looks like to me. So we're going to go here. I can't hit enter and go down. Okay, well, let me do that. So it's taking away my attempts. When I hit tab, it won't let me do that, taking away my attempts. So you can see I've hurt myself quite a bit trying to do that at this point. I'm not really sure exactly what I'm supposed to do. I mean, there's not a lot I can do. I can attempt to come down here on this page with the insertion point in the last paragraph, press tab. Won't let me do it. Okay, so as you see, maybe I'm reading something incorrectly, but I'd like for somebody to demonstrate what I need to do to fix that. Okay, question 7 on the Office Features topic-based simulation exam. In my first attempt, I had problems with this, so I'm going to go ahead and try to do it according to the instructions. Create a new folder on the USB flash drive named Excel01. So if we go up here, File, go to Save As. We're in the computer, so we have to go Browse, go down and find the USB flash drive. Okay, but we want to create a new folder in that drive. So here we are creating a new folder. We're going to name it Excel space 01. Enter. Okay, now that is a folder inside, and now I've selected that folder. So I'm going to name and then save a copy of the blank workbook in the Excel01 folder as 1A underscore enrollment. So I'm going to try that. 1A underscore capital E enrollment. Spelled correctly, press enter. Incorrect action. Press save. Incorrect action. Alright, so let's say I back all the way out of this and I just go back to the document. I have a blank document, and then I attempt to save as. And I go back in here and I browse it and I go down to the USB drive. The problem now is that the folder that I created is gone. So I have to recreate that folder. It's there. It exists. It is on the USB drive. Click on it. I'm technically in it. There's nothing in that, right? So then I'm going to save. Again, I'm going to try it. 1 alpha underscore enrollment. Okay, hit enter. Incorrect action. Hit save. Incorrect action. I'm going to try it one more time because it's going to kick me out. So I need some guidance on that one as well. Alright, question 11 on Office Features topic-based simulation exam. The use Format Painter to simultaneously copy the format of cell A22 to cells B6 and F6. So let's define terms. A22 is right here. B6 is here, and F6 is here. So if I've already used up a few of my turns trying to do this, attempts anyway. So if I It won't let me do it. So I cannot activate. Shit. Let's see. To get select contact. Apply formatting in multiple places. Double click. See, I cannot double click it and get what I want. It will not let me do it. Now I'm down to one attempt. Okay. It's showing that this is done, but see what's going to happen is when I click on B6, it's going to take an attempt away. So I cannot get this button, the format painter, with the double tap as I first attempted to allow me to go into the multiple or applying to multiple places settings. So here we go, B6 kills it. So there we go. I'm going to need some guidance on that one too because I'm not understanding what's going on.